Hello, how to solve for s in this cubic equation 2s raised to power 3 is equal to minus 8s squared plus 10. Solution. We have this given equation 2s raised to power 3 is equal to minus 8s squared plus 10. This can be written as 2s raised to power 3 plus 8s squared minus 10 is equal to 0. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by 2. And if you divide this by 2, this divided by 2, and this divided by 2, we have s raised to power 3 plus 4s squared minus 5 is equal to 0. Now, let's check when s is equal to 1, we have 1 raised to power 3 plus 4 bracket 1 square minus 5 must be equal to 0. Let's see. 1 raised to power 3, this is 1 plus 1 square is 1 times 4, that is 4 minus 5. Is it equal to 0? Now 1 plus 4, this is 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, s is equal to 1 is one of the root of this equation. Then we need to find other roots using long division of polynomial. Now we have x minus 1 is a factor. Therefore, using long division of polynomial, we need to divide s raised to power 3 plus 4s squared minus 5 by x minus 1. That is s raised to power 3 plus 4s squared minus 5. Let's divide it by s minus 1. S goes in s raised to power 3. This is s squared. Now s squared multiplied by s. This is s raised to power 3. Then s squared multiplied by minus 1. This is minus s squared. If you multiply this by minus 1, we have this cancel this. Here, 4s squared, then plus s squared. This is 5s squared. Now let's bring this minus 5 to this side. S goes in 5s squared. Here is plus 5x. Now 5s multiplied by x. This is 5s squared. 5s multiplied by minus 1. Here is minus 5x. Now let's multiply this by minus 1 again. This cancel this. Then here we have 5x. Let's bring this minus 5 down here. Now s goes in 5s. Here will be plus 5. 5 times s. This is 5x. Then 5 times minus 1 here. Here will be minus 5. If you multiply by minus 1, this is 0 and this is 0. Therefore, other factor of this equation is s squared plus 5s plus 5. Then s raised to power 3 plus 4s squared minus 5 is equal to s minus 1 bracket s squared plus 5x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now here there are two cases here. The first case is s minus 1 is equal to 0. The second case is s squared plus 5x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then from here, s is equal to 1. This is the first value of x. And from here, this is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 5. S is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 squared. This is 25 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5. That is 20 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25, or 25 minus 20. This is square root of 5 over 2. These are other values of x. Therefore, our final answer are s1 is equal to 1, s2 is equal to minus 5 plus square root of 5 over 2. Then s3 is equal to minus 5 minus square root of 5 over 2. These are the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.